pinag-usapan natin was for the D1 project. And this was our tally on the D1 project. No? Kasi I think what we would like to clarify. But this was your last price proposal to us. The way we have understood proposal is it's paid out in pieces.
Yes.
So that we pay as every building progresses, so we pay for whatever is signed and sealed.
Yeah.
Then we pay for what at that point, and then pag hihingi na kami ulit ng contract documents when it is repeated, then bayad na naman. That's the way we had understood it. Now, when we looked at the record of the payment, ito po, I think naman, sa G1 wala tayong disagreement on how much has been paid already, no? So,
Ito ma'am, nabawasan na siya.
kasi ito, yung payment today, we paid you to date about 4,250,000. And ang point of view natin is, if we look at what was, according to your proposal, ito, yung original, the original cost for which we understood to be payable after the first building, the signed and sealed plans for the first building are delivered was 3,951,000. After the discount, dahil di ba nag-adjust po kayo ng presyo, that would have been 3,129,000. So after the first set of signed and sealed plans, which we acknowledge naman that we received, dapat bayad na yan, which it is. Kasi ang nabayaran na namin today is about 4 million already. But we have not requested nor have we received the signed and sealed plans for any of the other three. Diba?
Ano ma'am, aswan na po yun. Kasi di ba, ang ano doon is, since located siya in same position, kumbaga different location, yung building na yan is since typical siya. So hindi namin siya sisingilin na isang building na to, isang building na. So kumbaga kung tutuusin, 4 yan.
Well, doon ho kami medyo kasi the way we have understood this is because it says that it is phased prior to proceeding to the next phase. One phase for us, in the case of D1, is one building. Kasi ito na lang ho, kasi this was, I think, proposed before I came around, no?
Yes.
But the way when I asked the people, the person who preceded me, si Ray, that is also the way they had understood it. Kaya nga ho, the way we do it for every building, once dumating si signed and sealed, then we pay you for whatever is the balance. Kaya nga ho, ang view namin was, we've already paid for more than what you have delivered today. Now, when we last discussed, sabi nyo nga, is for survival purposes, you would like na the balance, sana kung pwede 15-30. And I have tried to discuss that with Robert, and I try every time na pwede bang 300, 300, no? But I think he's also the point of view that is the last 300 o candidly, the last 300 o na napalabas namin in December, he was already saying na di pa naman nag-uumpisa ang construction, wala pa tayong building permit na ina-apply for the other three. Why are we paying for the balance already? Kasi his point of view is you pay a contractor the entire amount when they have finished the total deliverable. Ang total deliverable niya includes the last the signed and sealed plans for the last 3 buildings also. So, honestly po, hirap na hirap ako piliin yung, kaya nga ho, I always say I will try. And I will try naman po. So, yun ako, I just my point of view, ano po.
Yung point of reference.
I think kayo actually sa inyo ng galing. May point, may ano po yun. So yun ho ang That's why I keep on saying, I will try. Kasi ako ang point of view, wala pa yung deliverable for the last 3 buildings. Wala pa tayo sa contract phase ng huling 3 building. Kasi wala pa tayong
as one
building
kasi
permit.
siya. So if you're going to design, yung last na sinasabi nyo is, ano na lang yun, bayad na lang po nung printing and yung signing. Pero since ginawa namin the whole area, yun yung repetition na ito is applicable siya sa every building since typical.
Pero kasi man, the relevance of having a design development phase and a contract document phase. This is the way I understood it. Your contract document phase kicks in when we apply na for the building permit. Permitting na yung huli, di ba? Yun ang contract document phase. And we are not there for the other 3 since we have not requested nor have we received the signed and sealed plans for the last 3. I mean, that's why I keep on asking Robert na baka nga pwede to help them along since the project is also moving naman siya, but it is taking some time for DSUD to issue also yung license to sell, which is going to trigger the pagiging financing, which will then trigger the construction. That's why I was asking him na, sir, baka pwede we can agree natin is 15, 13, yung pinag-usapan natin. But as I said nga ho, it's been a challenge. So I'll be honest with you that it's been a challenge to ask for it. Kasi nga ang point of view is, meron pang deliverable.
Kung yan yung ano yun, pero yun kasi yung ano ng ano na yan, ng contract na yan. So hindi naman, kasi since, di ba, pag nag-design ka naman kasi kagaya sa water lines and everything, so structural din, the same. So yung repetition na yan is applicable sa lahat as long as yung buong area na yan is since sabing typical. So we cannot ano na ito yung isang design kaya nga ni-repeat lang namin siya for the 3 buildings.
Pero wala pa nga kung, from the point of view of us naman as a client kasi, we see it, because to us it comes nga in phases na yung huling step is the
Design.
contract
Yes, ma'am.
phase, which is when we
Yeah,
ask for the signed and sealed plans from you.
Yeah, nakalagay naman dito ma'am yung
Oo nga ho.
yung submission
Kasi,
namin ng
yeah,
contract
but 40% of it is actually due after we receive the signed and sealed.
Yeah.
Dun sa 3, meron pa lang on the first, wala pa akong signed and sealed dun sa
Pero
3.
yung sign and seal na yun ma'am is typical sa lahat. So,
Kasi what if you never delivered to us the signed and sealed of the 3 other buildings? Wala na kaming habol sa inyo.
No.
Merong deliverable against that.
Excuse me, are you saying the design that was completed can be applied to the second and the succeeding
Yes.
phases
That's the
without
intention. It may or may not
without
happen.
reproducing it in a different
Yeah, we
way?
already
Hindi, for building, teka muna, for contract document purposes, for building permit purposes, you have to produce a separate set of plans for each building. Alam niyo yan, every time mag-a-apply kami ng building permit, isang set
Yeah,
of
then
plans
that's
for
what
every
yung namin sa inyo na
which is for the first building. Iba pa ho yung second building, third building, fourth building. We need separate sets for each one. Yung binigay niyo po, ginagamit lang yun for the first building dahil ilan yung isasubmit namin sa building permit, ilan yung sinasubmit namin sa DSUD, ilan yung sinubmit namin sa pag-ibig. Yung 10 na yun, I think we have what? 2 left?
And if ever baka yung paano kung yung next application namin is more than a year pa or 2 years pa,
Yes.
edi
Uulitin yun.
wala na yun. Hindi pwede namin i-reproduce yung luma.
Oo. And clearly naka-indicate dun sa plano which building ang
Yeah, kasi
ina-apply.
generic kasi yun ma'am eh. So we
No, the
cannot.
plan, I don't disagree with you
Yeah.
that unless there's a variation down the road, conditions in the lot change, whatever, no? The design is typical. At least, particularly for the second floor up, it is typical. But, ang point is, you produce signed and sealed plans for every time. Yung 10 ko, ubus na yun dun sa first building pa lang.
Pero yun lang ma'am yung nakalagay din kasi sa ano namin. Whatever nakalagay sa contract, yun lang din ang dinideliver namin kasi yan lang talaga yung
So you're not
design
going to
namin.
give us anything more
We
than
can
10?
provide you whatever.
Kasi yung 10
Pero yung
ubus na yun sa
sinasabi
first
niyo po na
building.
babayaran niyo kami after we give that, eh hindi po pwede kasi ang nilagay namin sa contract namin just to make sure na ma-deliver namin sa inyo on time and every time. Kasi hindi mo naman sasabihin, okay, hindi ko muna kayo babayaran ito kasi ganito yung ano. Hindi, pagka nag-design ka ng ano, ng maraming buildings in a area, ganyan talaga ma'am yung proseso. So, if ever na, okay, designer need namin ng additional na ano, we can just provide you.
Kasi
Pero pag
hindi
sinabi
po
nyo
yun
na
ang-
after 1 year, 3 years, it's not our problem.
Hindi
with that, ma'am.
po yun ang appreciation kasi.
No,
Basahin
basahin namin ng maayos yung contract.
Kaya nga ho,
Hindi naman
sa akin,
pwede ganun na
ganito,
bigyan
ano,
ng
kung
interpretation.
gano'n ang ano niyo, na you don't want to wait, is it an option for us to ask you to now produce sets for building 2, 3, and 4? So that, kasi wala, ako I'm being honest, I have no
Kung yun
leverage,
lang ang
I have no
requirement mo
leverage
para
with my
submit,
boss.
we can.
I have no leverage
Kasi
with my boss to
magkakaroon
ask for
naman
the
ng
balance.
printing and ano yan. Pero yung the fact na nakalagay dyan sa kontrata, the development phase is these are the submittals, which is we already
But
submitted.
the development phase ko, ma'am, is 60%.
Yeah,
The
pero
contract
nag-send na namin
document
sa
phase
inyo
is
lahat yan, ma'am.
40%. Kaya yun po ang, at least
Lahat ng
to
mga
everyone who
nandyan sa
preceded
contract
me, ganyan po ang appreciation nila dito.
Yeah,
Kasi there has to be something to hold on to get the signed and sealed. Plus, especially since hindi nyo kami binibigyan
whatever.
ng soft
Kung
copy.
gusto
eh.
nyo po mag-ano kami ng another 3 sets.
So it is an option mo for us to already ask for the last
Yeah, but yung
signed and sealed for
yung
the
payment kasi niyan, sir, ma'am, is hindi yung porke hindi nyo hihingin sa amin is we're not going to pay us with the balance. So,
Pero kasi if we don't receive for the final deliverable, ano naman?
we already, ma'am, kung ano po yung nandyan sa contract, we have the ano.
Oo nga ho, pero kasi ang kailangan namin are the signed and sealed plans so that we can apply
Can
for
this be done?
building permit.
Because since it's typical to the different phases and buildings, the creation of the design has already been done.
Pero for the
It can-
client ho, it is useless without the signed and
It
sealed.
can,
Yeah,
we can
provide
replicate it.
Kaya nga ho, yun ang inaano ko. That's what I'm trying to
Though
say.
in the essence ng ng aming contract, we already submitted enough for us to bill you 100% for that project, for both of the
Well,
projects.
I think out there, we
Oh.
disagree, no? But what I'm asking as a compromise and para I have leverage ko to tell my boss na talagang wala na tayong utang sa diwan kasi pati yung plano for building 2, 3, and 4 na deliver na.
Okay, we can ma'am, pero at least
Kasi para masumara.
Yeah, I
Kasi
think at least that's more of the source of confusion. What
well,
confusion?
kasi it's a matter of interpretation. I
Yeah.
wouldn't say
What
confusion,
I
but
see-
it is a matter of
The
interpretation.
saying is that the commissioning, what you asked for, they already delivered. Yung intellectual
kung ano yung nandyan sa
creation.
contract.
Well, yun na nga, we have a different interpretation kasi and the persons before
Well, if you
discuss
misinterpret
this
at ma'am, meron naman maliwanag naman na pagka contract phase, ito, nandyan, naka-state. Okay.
Well,
ibigyan mo sa
kaya
akin.
nga ho ang point of view lang
Kasi
is
stated yung
we did
calculation
not,
and everything, drawing, sign and seal.
oo nga ho, pero ang
Billing.
but if he finds that that will not be the case, kasi meron pa ang proposal na magtatayo doon ng hospital. So, hahatiin yung project ng part of it will be hospital. So, kung ma-abandon yan, we will invoke the abandonment provision in the contract, and I guess we will be arguing about what you are due at that point. Kasi again, magkaiba tayo ng interpretasyon ng contract. So, I cannot, kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo last talk, hindi ko pa masasagot ng San Rafael because Robert has not made the decision on San Rafael.
So, when
Alam mo yan eh, there's also kasi an ongoing discussion with Pag-ibig. O, ano ba talaga ang gusto ng pag-ibig? Kasi kaya din naman nag-redevelop. Kaya ang dami ng development concept ng San Rafael was because vision and pag-ibig are more leaning towards horizontal development than vertical. Gusto nila either yung low-rise or row house. No? Kaya ang dami ng concept na nakasama dyan. I wish I had a better answer, but I really don't.
Yeah, you should discuss na yun sa
Ang
mga
ilang discuss na po ako dyan talaga. And his point of view is, we've already paid 8 million for that design. And that design nga, hindi pa rin niya approved. May pa rin siyang komento dito sa huling set eh, di ba? So,
Yeah.
and then I think you know what some of his concerns there naman were.
Yung
So,
sa ano naman, ma'am, na din namin yun, na-reverse na namin as per sa G1.
yung G1.
Yeah,
Okay,
pero
yeah.
yung layout
G1
ng building,
is
ma'am,
done.
yung layout ng mga units,
Pero
is
kasi
the
yung sa San Rafael, there are a couple of things na, kasi di ba kahit si Pimentel, yung foundation plan ng San Rafael,
Oo.
binago
Binago din.
din ni Pimentel eh. And hindi pa namin, because nga there are now so many redevelopment concepts on the table, hindi pa namin binabalikan kung anong magiging effect noon if we adopt kasi if we adopt the foundation plan na bago ni Pimentel, magbabago yung sa inyo. Kaya hindi ko pa ho talaga mabalikan yun.
yung height ng building siguro.
I think the height of the first floor, wala namang basement si San Rafael, di ba?
Wala.
Pero kasi nag-umpisa yun sa, di ba, naging slab, nag-umpisa sa mat, tapos naging strip, tapos
Alam ko may time na
bumalik sa mat, tapos naging yung iba-ibang
Opo.
Meron
Meron
naman.
isolated.
Pero yung product na specified nyo, na-deliver naman nila.
And then kasi there was a certain foundation plan at the time. There was a certain foundation plan na agreed noon. But since the time na diniliver nyo yung dating set, merong mga naging changes.
Yeah, kung hindi naman siya, ma'am, ang sa architectural kasi the rest of the discipline, as long as the height of the building, the width, and the
Hindi nga magbabago nga yung height ng building. Kasi I think,
from ground,
ano nga kuya,
from ground,
magbabago yung height ng first floor? Di ba parang, ano nga ba explanation ko?
Oo.
Magbabago yung height ng first floor eh. So magbabago yung height ng
kasi
building.
naglagay sila ng ano siguro yung
Tawag na sa beam na yun.
Oo, meron silang beam na ilalagay. Magbabago yung height ng first floor. So magbabago yung height ng buong building. So hindi ko, kaya hindi kita din mabalikan doon kasi when we were already working on the impact of the new foundation plan, ito naman na ngayon si Bisud na nagbago secretary, redevelop, ibalik sa BP220, i-low-rise, i-horizontal. Honestly, litong-lito na rin kami kay Bisud on that one.
pero
Buti nga itong Giwan, wala silang comment eh. Pinabayaan nilang tumuloy ang
As
Giwan
is.
eh. Kasi si Giwan, walang ibang 40H sa Region 8 na gumagalaw except for itong si Giwan Sunrise. So pinabayaan nila to, kahit na vertical yan, and it's 10 stories, pinabayaan nila, go ahead. Pero kasi ang daming 4PH dito sa Luzon eh.
Region 3.
Particularly in Region 3, so dinadrive nila down talaga to horizontal ng Region 3. So, that's why, kaya nga kami, di ba, nag-redevelop, biglang baba to 12. I think the last one you participated in was yung 12 stories, not 10 stories. 12 stories. So, yun ang, hindi kita mapalikan talaga sa Rafael. I mean, we're hoping in the next 2 or 3 weeks when things become clear with pag-ibig, then
Sa bagay, ma'am, after pa naman na mapit ito.
umpisahan muna natin to. Kaya nga sa akin, I really am not in a position to say anything about San Rafael yet. Dahil kahit kami nakabipin sa San Rafael. We have so many plans, perspectives, at nakahain sa San Rafael. But unless we get a positive response from the student for TV,
Tsaka we even did our own, di ba?
oh, we did our own. But normally, parang wala nang design cost masyado. Kami na rin yung gumawa.
Yung row house.
Yung row house,
Si
kami na.
engineer ko.
Si Jojo na gumawa ng row house para na less design cost. Wala ko rin binubili. But we have to wait for pag-ibig na. Ano ba talaga kuya?
So hindi rin nila yung aming rohas na? Hindi nila natuwa.
Ano yun eh, kasi yung row house, ang nagiging problema, yung price ceiling nila, lahat ng developers sinasabi sa kanila at 850,000. Walang kikita dyan, lugi lahat. So walang may gusto. Friday last week, naglabas sila finally ng circular, raising the price ceiling by 100,000. So, parang ano ba yan? So, they're trying to address yung concerns ng developers sa Roha. So, although meron na kami pre-propose sa LGU, we stopped short of applying for a building permit. Until nga, hinintay muna namin yung revised pricing, but that only came out last Friday. So, re-review pa namin ulit.
So total 950 na ngayon ang
Eh, gano'n na rin naman yung dati, 850 plus 100,000 na optional renovation yun. So, 950. Gano'n din yun. Tapos sasabihin lang, ngayon, the ceiling is 950. We're asking for clarification, ano yun, 950 plus 100. So, 1,050,000. Or talagang 950 lang, which means no change from before. Kasi kahit itong kondo, pinaasan nga nila yung price ceiling, pero ganun pa rin, from 1.8 to 1.9. Parang yung optional renovation loan, finuupo lang nila.
kasi hindi
Hindi talaga siya taas ng presyo. So, I think the developers are asking for that.
Okay ma'am. So mag-work ulit tayo pag
Tapusin muna natin to. Tapusin muna natin to, then let's talk about some of
Kasi wala din ako, sabi nila, ano na engineer yung sa ano. Sabi ko, basta pagka nagbigay sila, di ba, ano na lang muna tayo. Sabi ko kasi, in-explain ko lang kung ano yung explanation mo sa akin, no? In-explain ko rin naman sa kanila.
Hindi mo lahat
So,
rin akong ano eh.
Yung nga lang nung last week, sabi ko, engineer, sabi ko, wala pa kasi wala talaga. Mag-ano ko nga, sabi ko, parang mag-meeting na lang tayo.
Now it's clear.
Parang hindi nyo,
Yeah.
parang hindi nyo alam din dito, pag wala sigap, wala
Wala
ka
na.
Ano naman yun
Sige.
eh. He's been in China kasi for dahil meron din silang recall issues with their suppliers sa Taiwan. So I think yun ang crash na sa China. So they have some work to do with their supplier. Eh, mas malaki yun kasi sa amin. Cute lang si FDP compared to the guy.
Mas lalo na kayo kung ganyan lang. Puging lang. Sige, mahal.
Sige, ba't
Okay.
ka ba so?
Sige,
Anyway,
basta within this week or every year, kung sasabihin ko